Hey everyone, welcome to Next Dollar, your trusted place to learn easy and halal ways to make money online. Are you tired of searching? How to earn money online without investment? Then this video is for you. Today I'll show you step by step how to earn passive income by just sharing your unused internet with a trusted app called Honeygain. So don't skip watch till the end, because every step is important. Honeygain. Move. Bmove is a move to earn M2E mobile application. You get rewarded for your daily physical activities, walking, running, swimming, cycling, and so many more. Earning has never been easier. Play games. Earning in-app currency is cool, but using them within our app is even funnier. You will soon find endless ways to spend your Bs, play and have fun all at the same time. Earning. Daily rewards, challenges, daily quests and surveys. Lottery. There are so many ways to earn with Bmove. Download our app and earn your first Bs. How to download Honeygain. 1:22 o'clock. Step 1. Go to Google Play Store or the Honeygain official website. Step 2. Download the Honeygain app. Step 3. Install and open it. Now you're ready to create your account. How to sign up. 2 o'clock 2:40. Step 1. Click Sign Up. Step 2. Enter your email address and create a strong password. Step 3. Confirm your email. And boom, your Honeygain account is ready. The best part, you get a $5 sign-up bonus just for creating your account. How to use Honeygain. 2. 4340. Step 1. Log in to the app with your email and password. Step 2. Turn on Start Sharing Data. Step 3. Keep the app running in the background. You can use your phone normally. The more devices you connect, like your PC, laptop, or other phones, the more passive income you earn. Tip: use Wi-Fi instead of mobile data to save cost. How to transfer withdraw money. 344 40 wa sitaha. When your balance reaches $20, you can withdraw your money. Honeygain pays you through PayPal or Bitcoin. Step 1. Click on the payout section in the app. Step 2. Choose PayPal or BTC. Step 3. Enter your details and confirm. Your money is transferred safely, no hidden fees. Important tips for 4520. This is a passive income method. It won't make you a millionaire overnight, but it's perfect for earning a few extra dollars every month without doing anything extra. Always download from the official site. Never give your personal data to random apps. Stay safe, stay smart. Outro CTA 520. End. So now you know how to download Honeygain, sign up, share your data, and withdraw your money all 100% free, easy, and safe. If you found this video helpful, smash the like button and share it with friends who want to earn extra money without any investment. Don't forget to subscribe to Next Dollar for more free ways to make money online. See you in the next video. Keep hustling and stay blessed.